Welcome back to TechVibes. We have some bad news. As of June 28, 2026, OnStream and MobiFlick are no longer working. We do not know if these apps are ever coming back. But do not worry, I have the best free alternative applications, so you can keep watching your favorite movies and TV shows. These are fast one-click apps just like the ones we lost. Let us jump right in and get your device fixed. Step 1 is to install the Downloader app. Go to the magnifying glass icon on your home screen. Type the word Downloader in the search box. Click on the orange Downloader application icon. Click the center button on your remote to download and install it. Step 2 is to enable developer options. Click your home button and go to Settings. Find the section called My Fire TV or My Device. Click on the About option. Highlight your device name and click the center button on your remote 7 times. You will see a message saying you are now a developer. Press the back button and open Developer Options. Click ADB Debugging to turn it on. Go to Install Unknown Apps and turn the setting to On for the Downloader app.
Step 3 is to install the Unlink application. Open the Downloader app from your main list. Put the red cursor inside the white search box. Type in the website address for the Unlink app. Scroll down and click the box that says Download APK Android. Click Install when the prompt appears. Click Done and select Delete twice to remove the unnecessary installation file. Go back to your device settings under Developer Options and turn the Install Unknown Apps setting to On for Unlink.
Step 4 is to access the Personal App Store. Open the Unlink app from the end of your applications list. Click on the option to add a new library. Enter my exclusive store code using the on-screen keypad. This code grants you access to my personal vault with over 50 updated streaming applications. Before you proceed, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new app update. Step 5 is to download the best alternative streaming apps. Open the FireVault Store library. Scroll down to find the application named StreamFlick. Click Download and then click Install. Next, find the application named Vulture TV. Vulture TV has over 50,000 movies and TV shows ready to play with one click. Click Download and click Install to add it to your device. Step 6 is to organize your home screen for quick access. Go to the very end of your applications list. Highlight Unlink and hold down the center button on your remote. Now simply select the option to move the application to the front. Repeat this exact process for StreamFlick and Vulture TV. Now your new applications will be right at the top of your screen every time you turn on your device. Step 7 is to secure your connection with a premium VPN. Third-party applications can experience severe buffering and blocks caused by your internet service provider. You must use NordVPN to run all your apps smoothly and overcome internet censorship. Open the NordVPN application on your device and click the Connect button. Your connection is now safe, secure, and completely anonymous. You can find the official NordVPN installation link mentioned directly in the description and the pinned comments below. Take advantage of the special discount link to protect your data today. Drop a like on this video if these alternatives helped you out. Leave a comment below with your device model if you have any questions. Smash that subscribe button for more tech updates. Thank you for watching TechVibes, and I will see you in the next video.